State students are taking their job on the road. The School of Nursing has a community health mobile unit which they use to travel to rural areas in Fresno County. There, they provide free health services to those who don't have readily available access to health care. The goal is to do this 10 times per semester for the next 2 years. Here with more on their next stop is Dr. Cindy Guerra, how are you? And Dr. Kathleen Rendall, both assistant professors over at the School of Nursing there at Fresno State. Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Well, it's good to see you guys.
Thank you for having us.
This is somewhat of a new program. I know that you've made one stop in Porterville. And right?
Parlier.
Parlier. Okay, Parlier. And you're making another stop here soon, October 13th in Reedley.
Correct.
Before we give out all the information, tell us about this health mobile unit. Is that what you call it? Is that the official name?
Yeah, we can call it mobile health unit. Well, the unit we're currently using, we're borrowing from Fresno County Office of Education.
Okay.
It was their unit they used in their migrant program for the last 9 years. Okay. They lost some funding, so the unit was just sitting there. So Cindy and I kind of teamed up. I wrote a grant to help baccalaureate nurses go on the unit to pay for funding, and then Dr. Guerra wrote the grant to have the FMP students come and be on the mobile
Who
unit.
are the FMP students?
They're their master's prepared students.
The what?
Those are our master's prepared students who are becoming nurse practitioners.
Oh,
so
okay.
the unit actually houses BSN students, nursing students, and also master's prepared students who are becoming nurse practitioners, so the two get to collaborate.
What a great experience for these students. What do they get out of it, aside from great experience? What else do you see them coming away with?
Well, twofold, I believe. First of all, the BSN students get a chance to collaborate on the unit with the nurse practitioner students. So if they're interested in hiring their education and becoming a nurse practitioner, it's an awesome experience for them to see and collaborate in health assessments and questions and treatments, to see what another profession does. And it's a goal that can be attainable for them because they see the need. And we definitely have the need here in the Valley.
There's a huge need, especially in our rural communities, which you target, by the way. What health services are offered in the health mobile?
We do basic blood screening, like finger sticks, which they get the blood from the tip of the finger, where we can check the cholesterol level, we can check for diabetes, and we can check for anemia, and we also do blood pressure screenings, and then we also help do physicals.
And how, oh really, whole physicals, and how are these services paid for?
Grant funding.
Okay, through all the grants, so the people don't have to pay anything?
No, it's totally free.
Oh, that's fantastic. How many people showed up in Parlier?
16.
Oh, that's
And
nice.
we were only there from 9, Parlier was 14. Sanger was 16. We were only there from 9 to 1.
You're kidding. Oh, so this is going to be your third stop?
This was our second stop yesterday with Sanger. That was our second stop. And our third stop is coming up in Reedley community. And we're busy the time we pull up till the time we pull out. We're busy.
We're also going to have physical therapy come in really to do some assessments too, some balance screening on some of the elderly in the communities too.
How many nursing students go at a time? How many nursing students go to one particular town at a time?
Well, the baccalaureate students, we like to have at least 4 of them, and then for Cindy?
For nursing, nurse practitioner students, I like to have 4 because we do have 2 fully equipped exam rooms to where each nurse practitioner can be in examining, and when they come out, we can also accommodate 2 more patients.
Yeah.
So
we rotate them through.
You rotate them through.
Yes.
That's so fantastic that you all are doing this and helping out our community in this way. So let's go ahead and give everyone once again the information on where you're making your next stop. I believe that is in Reedley, right?
On the 13th.
On the
correct.
13th. And then throughout the rest of the month, on the 17th, they're going to be in Kerman, then again in Parlier on the 20th, and then November 3rd and 17th in Madera at the Hope House, is that correct?
Correct.
Okay, and then through December 1st at the St. Joseph Catholic Church in Fireball. I may be missing one over there, but if people need more information, where do they go?
It should be a link right down at the bottom of the screen.
Okay, I think it was, there it is,
There it
in
is,
a phone
right there.
number. There you go. See, we're on top of it, ladies.
or they can
Yes,
call
you are.
Fresno State School of Nursing.
That's
There
the
you
phone
go.
number,
There's
yeah.
the phone number right there, School of Nursing, in case you're interested.
Yeah.
Thank you, ladies, so much for
Thank
being
you.
here.
Thank
Great
you.
things. Congratulations to those students over there doing wonderful things. All right, coming up next on Central Valley Today.